questions. First one, air occupies space. Take a balloon and blow air by the mouth. And twist the balloon of the mouth and press the balloon. We feel the experience which we cannot see the air inside the balloon occupying space. This experiment to show the air occupies space. Second one, to prove the carbon dioxide is present in the air. Take some lime water in a dish and place it here for some time. A white layer is formed on the lime water. The carbon dioxide is present in the air is absorbing the lime water and calcium carbonate on formed a white layer. The carbon dioxide is present in the air. In the air, the carbon dioxide percentage is 0.03%. Third one, to show that the oxygen is present inside the air. The candle will goes off. This happens because the oxygen is present inside the air up to burning. In the air, the oxygen percentage is 21%. We can try this simple experiment. Is tightly filled with air. These two balloons is tie end of the stick. One balloon will comes down. Bhavani, stand up. Why this balloon will comes down?
It contains air and therefore heavier.
Okay, thank you. Please listen. Air. Inverted the glass along with the paper. We observe that the paper does not fall down. It is because the air is below the exerting pressure and this exerting pressure supporting the glass. a small cork on water. This cork was float on the water. Inverted the glass on a floating cork and floating piece of the cork. We observe that the exerting pressure downwards and push the corks down. Seventh one, to show composition of air by volume. Pour water until the half of the candle withdrawn. Inverted the glass on the burning candle flame. After a few seconds, the candle was covered will goes off. In the air, the supporter gas is oxygen and the non-supporter gas is nitrogen is present. This experiment in the air contains 1/5 volume of active gas oxygen useful to burning. In addition, the 4/5 volume of the inactive gas is nitrogen, which does not support the combustions. It shows that the air is oxygen and nitrogen in the ratio is 1:4.